write the coefficients of descending powers of x in the first horizontal row. So in this first horizontal row, this is the divisor, this is dividend. Okay, so in this dividend we have to write coefficients of the x terms, x cube, x square, and so on. So highest power, we start with the highest power. So x cube coefficient is 3, x square coefficient is -2, x coefficient is -19, and constant. In this order, we had to write the coefficients of the descending powers of x. This is the first step. Okay, my children. Sometimes they will give the terms in the descending, in the disorder. So first we arrange the terms of the polynomial in the descending powers of x. After that, in this first horizontal row, in the first horizontal row, we write coefficient of highest power of x, and next highest power of x coefficient, the next highest power of x coefficient, and so on. Understood this first step, my dear children?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now come to the divisor. What is the divisor here? What is the divisor here? What is divisor? By which polynomial we are dividing? By x minus 2. Yes or no? By x minus 2.
Sorry, x minus 2.
Okay. We are dividing this polynomial, given polynomial, by x minus 2. See the second step, the multiplier is obtained by putting the divisor x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to write this equation. Divisor is equal to 0. In the second step, we have to write divisor is equal to 0. Now we got a simple equation. We have to solve this simple equation. Then what you got here, x value 2, x is equal to 2. So whatever you got here, write this here, multiplier. This is called multiplier. Whatever the number is written here, this number is called multiplier. Okay, my children. Understood what is this? How to find multiplier?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood this step? Second step, multiplier.
Sir.
Sir, can you share this PPT in the Google Classroom?
Yes, I will share it. I will share it, Amma. I will share this PPT in the Google Classroom in the form of PDF. I will convert.
Okay,
I will
sir.
convert
Sir,
this.
that last algorithm PPT you shared, sir.
I shared everything.
Okay, sir.
Once check. Once check. Otherwise, I will post. I will post it. Okay, ma. I understood the second step. Understood this second step, multiplier. How to find multiplier?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the third step. Come to this third step. Now below the first coefficient, that is 3. What is the first coefficient in this horizontal row? 3. Just below this number 3, in the first horizontal row, put 0. So here, just below this first coefficient, we kept here 0. I kept a laser point here. Are you watching this laser point, my dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we got two numbers, 3 and 0. Add these two numbers. What will you get here? 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Yes or no? Understood this one? We had to add these two numbers and we write that number 3. Okay. Now we have to multiply this number into multiplier. This number and multiplier. What will you get? 3 into 2. What will you get? 3 into 2.
So 6.
So whatever you got answer here, write that second number just below the second coefficient. Minus 2, just below that number we write 6. Now simplify these two numbers, minus 2 plus 6. What will you get? Minus 2 plus 6.
So 5.
6 minus 2. Huh? 5.
So
What will you
4,
get?
sir.
So 4.
4.
4. So here we got 4. Understood this
Sir, you have
second
shared
number
that
4?
PDF in the Google Classroom, sir. I saw it, sir.
Have you found it, Amma? Have you found it?
Sir, that PPT you didn't share, sir.
PPT. I don't share PPT, Sama. PDF. I convert this PPT.
Sir, no, sir. That day, one day you showed, no, sir, the algorithm and all.
Uh, check.
Sir, that
I will check
file
it.
can you share, sir?
I will check, Amma. I will check. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now come to this third step here. We got here 4. Okay. Again, we follow the previous step. 4 and multiply. Multiply these two numbers. 4 and multiplier. What will you get? 4 into
Sir, 8.
2,
8, sir.
8. Write this number just below the third number. What is the third number? Minus 19. Just below the third number, we write 8. Now, minus 19 plus 8. Simplify these two numbers, minus 19 plus 8. What will you get? What will you get here?
Sir,
Minus
10.
19, 10. Simplify it, take a paper and pen and paper and simplify. Minus
So,
19
what is the
plus
question,
8.
sir?
Sir, 11, sir.
Amma?
So,
Not 11.
minus
Minus
9.
11. Minus
So, minus
11.
11, sir.
Minus 11. You have to learn well, my dear
Yes,
children.
sir. Minus 11.
Solving integers, addition, subtractions. If you are not strong in addition and subtractions, you cannot understand maths. Minus 19 plus 8. Here bigger number is 19, smaller number is 8. Both are of opposite sign. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and keep the sign of the bigger number for the resultant answer. So minus 11. Again, minus 11 into multiplier. Minus 11 into multiplier. What will you get here? What will you get?
22, sir.
Minus 11 into 2. What will you get? 22?
So, minus 22.
Yes, minus 22. Minus 22. Here they wrote wrongly here. Minus 22. Minus 22. Okay. Print mistake here. Minus 22. Then simplify these two numbers. 22 minus 22. What will you get here? 22 minus 22.
So, 0.
0. So whatever the last number you got, this number is called a remainder. This number is called remainder. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
come to this point. Here 3, 4 minus 11. You got to here 3, 4 minus 11. Okay. This first rightmost number denotes constant term. Constant term. This 4 denotes coefficient of x, coefficient of x. And this 3 denotes coefficient of x square. coefficient of x square. Then tell me 3x square right at most right number denotes constant term, before number denotes coefficient of x, and before that number denotes coefficient of x square. Then what will you get here? 3x square plus 4x minus 11. Understood this polynomial? 3x square plus 4x minus 11.
Yes, sir.
Understood? 3x square plus 4x minus.
Understood, sir.
Here we wrote x minus 2, that as it is. Whatever the polynomial you got in this step, we wrote in the second brackets 3x square plus 4x minus 11. That's all. This is called Horner's synthetic division. So here 3x square plus 4x minus 11 is quotient, 0 is a remainder. 3x square plus 4x minus 1 is a quotient, x minus 2 is a divisor, and 0 is a remainder. Understood this Horner's method of synthetic division?
Yes, sir.
I will show you another example. See here, 20x cube plus 87x square plus 96x plus 48 by x plus 3. See here, what is the divisor here? What is the divisor here?
3, sir.
Sir, x plus 3. Sir, you're not audible.
What is the divisor here? X plus 3.
X plus 3.
Yes or
Sir,
no?
x plus 3.
X plus 3. So, what is the multiplier? Can you tell me what is multiplier? Can you tell me what is
Sir, 3.
multiplier? No, you are wrong.
Sir, multiply.
Find multiplier. See
Sir,
your
plus
previous
3.
slide. How did you find multiplier? See second step. How do you find
Sir,
multiplier?
multiplier is the P of, sir, we must take the constant term to the right side of equal to,
What is
so
the
it will be
multiplier
minus
here?
3.
They
Sir,
give wrong here. Not minus 3 here. Sorry, this is wrong. How do you get multiplier? X plus 3.
Sir, actually, how are we getting?
X plus 3 is equal to 0. Ma. Write this equation. That is second step. We have to follow
Yes, sir.
these steps. After writing this step, then what will you get x value? What will you get x value? Tell me. What
sir,
is the value
minus
of
3.
x? Yes,
Sir,
this
minus
is the
3.
multiplier. X is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 is a multiplier. Minus 3 is a multiplier. We found here. So here we
Yes,
wrote
sir.
minus 3. In the first horizontal row, we wrote coefficients of descending powers of x. So here x cube quotient we wrote as 20, x square coefficient is 87, coefficient is 96, and constant term. Understood this horizontal line? First horizontal line,
Yes, sir.
we wrote here multiplier, we wrote the horizontal line. In the second horizontal line, just below the first number, that is 20, here we wrote 0. This is also compulsory step. They will not give. You must write 0 here. 20 plus 0, what will you get here? 20. 20 plus 0
So
gives
20.
20. After getting this number, remember this one. We have to multiply this number with the multiplier. Multiply this number with the multiplier. Then what will you get? 20 into minus 3.
So minus 60.
Minus 60. See here, in the second horizontal line, just below the second number, 87, we wrote minus 60. Understood minus 60?
Yeah, sir.
Now, 87 minus 60. 87 minus 60. What will you get? Tell me.
Sir, 27.
27.
Yes, sir.
Please check the answer.
Sir, 27 only, sir.
Sir, 27 only.
Yes. So 27. We got here 27. Again, we follow the previous step. Multiply this number with the multiplier. 27 into minus 3. 27 into minus 3. Multiply in rough paper. Multiply these two numbers 27. Please take pen and paper, my children. Please take a pen and paper.
Sir, 81. Sir,
Sir, minus
minus
81.
81.
No. Minus
Sir, minus
81.
81.
So minus 81.
See here, we wrote that minus 81 just below the third number. Just below the third number 6, we wrote minus 81. Okay. Now, 96 minus 81. 96 minus 81. What will you get here?
Sir, 15.
Yes. See here, 15. Then what should we do? Next step,
Sir,
we have to
15 into
multiply this
minus 3.
number.
Sir, 15
15
into
into
Yes,
minus
with
yes.
the
3.
multiplier.
Multiply this number with the multiplier.
With the multiplier.
15 into
Sir, so we'll
what is
get
Minus
minus
3.
48?
45.
Minus 45, sir.
So we write this minus 45 just below the next number. So just next number is 48. So just below the 48, we wrote minus 45. 48 minus 45. Tell me the answer.
Sir, 3.
48 minus
3.
45 is equal to 3.
3,
So
sir.
this is the last number. This last number, previously I told you, this last number denotes remainder. This last number denotes remainder. But then what is the quotient? Tell me. Polynomial, can you tell me? This is constant. This is a constant.
Sir, then the
Sir,
What is this?
15
remainder
is
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 27?
constant. 27
3.
is.
Yes, 27x. This is a 20x square.
20x
Understood
square.
this point? 20x
Sir, the
Yes,
square
remainder
sir.
is
plus
3.
remainder is 3. That's all. Quotient is 20x square plus 27x plus 15. This is a quotient.
Sir, this method
And
is easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
that is why this is called synthetic division, Horner's synthetic division. In a single in two steps, you get quotient and as well as remainder. You get
Sir, can we use
quotient as
this
well.
method for exam, sir?
You can use them. You can use this method also.
Sir, if we
Sir,
Okay.
can we
ask divide
directly
and
do or
find.
do the steps also?
No need to write steps. Directly,
Okay, sir.
again, I will show you by an example on the
Sir,
black on the green
sir,
board.
if it is asked divide, sir, if it is asked divide and find the quotient means we can use this method or that method. Both will be correct, no, sir?
You can use any one of these methods.
Okay,
You
sir.
can use any one of these methods. Okay, ma? Okay,
Okay,
ma?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Bibina? Now, I will take some more examples for this Horner's synthetic division. For Horner's synthetic division, I will tell you. Okay. On the green board, I will show some more examples. What is quotient and what is remainder when a polynomial is divided. When a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, I'll show you. Just wait for a moment. I'm setting the camera. I'm setting the camera, just wait for a moment. Okay, ma, good.
Okay, sir.
I'm stopping this sharing. See here, my dear children, see this example. A polynomial is given. A polynomial is given. You have to find the quotient, also remainder. And find quotient as well as remainder. So, in this Horner's method of synthetic division, first in the horizontal row, in the first horizontal row, in the horizontal line, we have to write the coefficients of
Sir,
descending
your
powers of
screen is
x.
not clear for me, sir.
So for me too, it is kind of blur.
Because I will check them. I will check. I will connect with school ID. Just wait.
Sir, today you did not give the link in Google Classroom for this class, sir.
I will send them. I will send. I will send you. I will send you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think.
Just wait for a moment. Wait for a moment.
Okay, sir. So when you were presenting PPT and all, it was clear, sir. But this black in this green board, it is not clear. This blur.
Okay. Because of net. CMA, now how is the screen?
So now it is clear.
It is clear now.
It is clear? Yes. Now see this example, my dear children. First, we have to arrange the coefficients of descending powers of x. What is the highest power of x here? Tell me. What is the highest power of x?
So 4.
4. So
So 4.
here, highest power of x is 4. What is the coefficient of x power 4? Tell me, Bibina.
So 1.
For your understanding, just I am writing here. Highest power is x power 4, next x cube, next x square, x term and constant. Now tell me the coefficients of these terms. Now tell me the coefficients of these terms one by one. What is the coefficient of x power 4? Yes, tell me, Bibina.
So 1.
1. What is the coefficient of x cube?
So 0.
0. Very good. Here x cube term is not given. X cube term is not given. So for our convenient, we take x cube coefficient is 0. What is x square coefficient?
So -2.
What is x coefficient?
So 1.
What is constant?
So -10.
So this is the first step. In the horizontal line, in the first horizontal line,
Sir, but for me, you are clear only, sir.
because some network, maybe some network issue, Manikita, there may be some network issue. There may be some network issue in your device or network issue in your area. For others, okay, Bibina, Janej, Srijana, Sridarshan.
Okay, sir.
So this is the
Okay,
first
okay.
horizontal line. This is the first horizontal line. Understood this first horizontal line, my dear children?
Understood, sir.
After writing the first horizontal line, what should be found here? What should be found? Multiplier.
Sir,
We have,
multiplier, sir.
how do you
Multiplier is
find
-1.
multiplier? Take the divisor. To
Sir,
find,
sir, x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to -1.
so this minus 1 is said to be multiplier. For this synthetic division, minus 1 is said to be multiplier. We have written multiplier here. Now, after writing the multiplier, what is the first step here? Just below the first number, we write 0. It is compulsory step. Then 1 plus 0, what will you get? 1 plus 0?
So 1.
So 1.
1. We got some number here. After simplifying these two
So we
numbers,
must multiply with the multiplier.
multiply this number with the multiplier. 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Write that result just below the second number. Just below the second number. 0 minus 1. What will you get? Minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Again, multiply this number with the multiplier. Again, multiply this number with the multiplier. Minus 1 into minus 1. What will you get? Plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. What will you get here? Minus 1. Again, multiply this number with the multiplier and write that result here. Minus 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1. What will you get here? 1 minus
0.
1. 0. Again multiply this number with the multiplier. Minus 1 into 0. 0.
So 0.
What will get here?
Minus 10 is the remainder, sir.
This
The
is a
minus 10.
remainder. This is a remainder. This is a quotient. This is constant. Right from the beginning, from right side, constant. This is x coefficient. This is x square coefficient. This is x cube coefficient. Now can you tell me what is coefficient? Quotient here? 1x cube. That is x cube minus 1 into x square minus x square minus 1 into x minus x.
X.
No need to write 0 plus 0. No need to write. Remainder. Remainder is minus 10.
So minus 10.
That's all. This is a quotient and this is the remainder. Understood this example, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take
Understood,
screenshot.
sir. Understood, sir.
Take screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Take screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Okay, ma. Now the time is 4 past 14 minutes. 4 past 14 minutes. By using this method, you can find quotient and remainder easily. Understood the advantage of Horner's method of synthetic division?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is an advantage. Within two steps, you can find,
Sir, if we use
quotient
this
and
in exam, you will give marks, no, sir.
you can.
So, but that question may come for 3 marks. I mean, 4 or 5 marks. We'll write in this 2-step means you'll give full marks, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Full marks. You get full marks. Don't worry about it. Okay, ma'am. Now the time is
Okay,
4
sir.
past.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you all, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently.